What do we got here? The next president of the United States of America, ladies and gentlemen. The bird. Free-bird.
He was eating a lot.
Stoney, shit in your hands. Pretty zooming on that. Look at that landslide. Look at that landslide.
Well, if you feed him, it's going to come out.
You know it. You know it. They say it's good luck.
It's got to be on the head, though. No, he's doing it. It's soft and squishy. Like the poop. Guys, this is so much fun. Yeah, good boy. Go on, do it. Be brave. Be brave, brave, take off. No, he's not hurt. He's out of the nest, bro. He's out of the nest.
Wow. That was fantastic. Yeah, you're feeling better. Think about how I think you feel like raspberry flying around.
Because he's slow. They're a great fly. So
Stoney, she'll come down and try to.
yeah, I'm going to put him up there.
She'll feed him right now. We can all film that.
She will come and feed him wherever he is.
Oh, yeah! Get him with your donuts! Yeah, come on, woo!
I got you. He was so close, man.
There's a bird.
Don't push any carts.
Push it now? Are we following? Didn't make it.
He tried.
That's alright. It's alright? Where'd the other one go though? The other one went.
Yeah, they were all just up on the ledge.
Oh yeah, she's right up there. Look, she's got food in her mouth. Talking to his mouth. Oh my God, that's pathetic. It's breaking my heart. trouble flying.
His mom wants to feed him. She's right up there. She's got food in her mouth.
Take her out of the nest. Don't tell me just float it down and land on your hand. Get that camera out of my face, Ricky.
I could get him up on the awning, put a piece of cake. I think that's what we go next. Yeah, it's old enough.
He flew all the way up and over and then fell up down over here.
Yeah, two nice brown ones.
I mean, is it going to come through that they won't go back to the mother?
It's like one day away from being free. Like, I mean, it's just more flying.
No, I got more.
It just left the shooting. It almost made the precision landing in the room and then hit the wall, fell again.
Take him out of the field.
I'm going.
Don't hit anything. Take him out.
Yeah, but he's mom's right here, like flipping.
Mom, yeah, she's got a feed in her mouth. She's got a mom in her mouth.
I'm on the show, so I may as well.
10:30?
Alright. Cut? There we go. 10:30. Great.
He just cut people?
I don't know, ask him.
There they go.
Up and over the wall.
Staying.
Max is staying?
Super duper. Good little hole there. He's drilling.